Okay, so yesterday we went downstairs to go to our garden. So ngit pa siya ka it's still 5:40 a.m. in the morning. But before that, syempre, chicken first no before anything else. Balag wala pa ito nga piday, basta kayo nakagunit ng manok, kung makakaon ang good ang manok ug una. But yeah, so naadto nami sa garden, a few steps away lang kung asa pod ang manok. Mga daw. We got 4 medium sizes of eggplant and young bell pepper. Sakto na ni siya for our dish for breakfast. So for today's breakfast is magpaksiw tawag isda. So sa amo pa ni nga mga Bisaya, this is inununan. Syempre with a twist kay naamantay talong and young bell pepper. Kay usually this recipe is isda rajud ni siya. And anyway, you can use any fish that you want for this recipe. Aside from fish, we also need onion, garlic, and a lot of ginger para mapawala ni siya sa langsa sa isda. And syempre, ang atong talong and young bell pepper. This recipe kay dali ragid kay siya kay isagol ra jud nimo tanan spices and then timplahan og soy sauce, salt, pepper, vinegar, oil and seasoning and then add 1 cup of water and cook in a low heat. Once the fish is cooked, that's the time nga i-add na nimo ang talong and young bell pepper. Continue cooking until it's done and that's it.